y'all. Hey, so
I gotta take
we got
the dog.
some more breakfast from Duck Through. Ned's got chicken. Okay, I did. Yeah, created a breakfast sandwich at Duck Through, Hunterdale. I got a bacon sandwich on a toasted buttered bun with 2 fried eggs, tomato, lettuce, mayo, and cheese. And I believe onion. Yes, onion. And it looks delicious. Nez, was your chicken good? Ooh.
Yeah.
Woo. Whoa. Okay. The egg, hold on, let me get it right. So y'all can get the full effect. Nez, you want a bite? Y'all want a bite? Okay. Yeah.
Get that sandwich, April. Get that sandwich like it did something to you. Your next bite got to be the home run, okay? You got to get it.
You want me to go in for it?
Yeah.
Go big, go home, right?
Yep.
It's so good.
Home run. Oh, 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 oh. That's my girl. That's my girl. You got that one.
Well, we're at the DMV this morning. To update our license. Well, to update my license, my driver's license. And Ned is going to get his ID. He had one when he was younger. I think, but we're getting it again now. I'm pretty sure that one expired. This sandwich was so good. What am I talking about? I already opened this. Kind of curious. The Simply Orange with mango. Yeah, it's good. Wow. Yeah, Ned had fried apples with his chicken. Well, I ordered the fried apples, and we shared the fried apples. Woo! These are some of the best fried apples I've had. It's so good.